Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to take a look at how to restore healthy gut bacteria in 60 days. Have you heard that your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, your microbiota, and that their balance is crucial for your health? Perhaps you've even heard the term dysbiosis or an imbalance and wondered if it's contributing to your symptoms. Many people understand the importance of this internal community, but struggle with how to actually restore and maintain its balance effectively. When your microbiota is out of balance, it can impact everything, including your immune system. Diverse and balanced microbial community is key to a resilient gut environment and a healthy immune response. But our modern lifestyle with processed foods, stress, and more can disrupt this natural balance. Restoring healthy gut bacteria isn't always intuitive. Simply taking any probiotic might not work if you're not also feeding it with appropriate prebiotics. Avoiding bad foods is a start, but actively introducing foods that nourish beneficial bacteria is vital. And surprisingly, stress levels can significantly influence your gut microbes. So, how do you move from a state of microbial imbalance to a thriving, diverse community within a specific time frame like 60 days? It requires a focused, intentional approach to nurture your internal ecosystem. Restoring healthy gut bacteria within 60 days involves several key strategies working in harmony. 1. Dietary diversity. Your gut thrives on variety, especially diverse plant fibers that act as food, prebiotics, for beneficial bacteria. Aiming for colorful plates packed with fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains provides the necessary fuel. Incorporating fermented foods adds beneficial bacteria directly. 2. Targeted support. Sometimes a little extra help is needed. This involves strategically using targeted probiotics, specific strains of live bacteria proven to support microbial balance and immune function. It also includes ensuring you're getting enough prebiotics to feed these good bacteria effectively. 3. Addressing disruptors. Reducing exposure to inflammatory triggers, both in your diet, like processed foods and high-sugar items, and in your lifestyle, like chronic stress, is critical for allowing beneficial bacteria to flourish. 4. Consistent habits. Building small, consistent daily habits creates a stable environment for your microbiota. Simple actions like drinking enough water or mindful eating contribute to a balanced gut ecosystem. While these strategies are foundational, successfully restoring healthy gut bacteria in 60 days requires a structured plan. You need to know which specific strains and fibers are most effective, how to identify your personal disruptors, and how to integrate diet, supplements, and lifestyle practices consistently over the 60-day period. It's about making informed choices and tracking your progress. Sharing it with a friend who might also benefit would be greatly appreciated. And if you're interested in more science-backed strategies for your well-being, we'd love for you to subscribe. If you're ready to stop guessing and implement a targeted plan to cultivate a thriving gut microbiome within approximately 2 months, there is a systematic approach designed for this very goal. It's about understanding the balance and actively working towards it. To truly restore healthy gut bacteria in 60 days, you need guidance on assessing your current state, selecting the right fuel and support, and building consistent habits that create a resilient internal ecosystem. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about restoring healthy gut bacteria and implementing effective strategies within a 60-day time frame, you can find a detailed video linked in the description below. For a complete step-by-step 60-day action plan that guides you through restoring microbial balance and enhancing immune function, check out the link to our course in the description as well. It's time to nurture your internal ecosystem. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information was helpful. Share this video to spread awareness about natural autoimmune recovery. And for all future modules on gut health and immune function, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications